Hi, I'm Mark with At My Home. Govee sent us their Govee Strip Light with Skyline Kit to review. As you can see, it is great for illuminating a wall or ceiling. Just make sure the kit you buy is long enough to reach the walls where you intend to install. The kit includes all you need and comes in two sizes, 4 meters or 6 meters. Aside from a Govee Strip Light and controller, they supply the mounting brackets, screws, and sticky tabs for mounting the long plastic strip reinforced by steel, which is key to the kit. This lighting kit is not a simple install. A helper is recommended. We recommended that the first step is to keep reading the user manual and quick start guide until you really understand how to install. Next step is to unroll the metal strip and lay it flat on the floor. Lay the LED strip light out next to it. Line up the end of the metal strip with a rivet in it with the cable end of the LED strip light. Now, line up the fixing bar, the metal piece with the outside threads, up to the metal strip and measure 7.5 centimeters and mark the spot. We used a piece of tape. Next, attach the strip light to the metal strip by lining up the cable end as shown here to the marked spot. Note carefully where we lined it up, basically at the point where the cable starts to widen. This is key because then you have to screw on the fixing bar and not end up screwing into the cable. Put the metal strip into the fixing bar up to the opening. Now, tighten the screws down onto the metal strip to secure it. Be careful not to screw into the cable inside. Then connect the controller and plug it in to test the LEDs. Now, take the rotation bar, the piece with a round end, through one of the mounting bases, then pass the cable end of the LED strip through the rotation bar and screw the fixing bar into the rotation bar, holding the fixing bar steady and rotating the rotation bar. Screw it all the way in so the screws are covered. Now, figure out where you want to install. We used their auxiliary cardstock, the mounting template, cutting out 1/4 of it along the dotted lines. Placed it on the wall and marked the screw holes, same on the other side. We then mounted the cable end mounting base. We figured out where we wanted the cable to route, then screwed it into the wall. On the far wall, we attached the other mounting base and the rotation bar before attaching the metal strip. Here is where reading the directions over and over are important, because you will be cutting both the metal strip and the LED strip light. And yes, the kitchen scissors work just fine. Before you cut, peel back the LED light strip, as you will cut it after you cut the metal strip. We attached the fixing bar and tightened the screws. Finished by screwing it into the rotation bar until the metal strip was drawn level. We attached the controller and power supply and tested the lights. The controller can pick different scenes and can adjust the brightness. The Govee app, of course, can do much more. Once you pair it up, you can make all sorts of adjustments, including do-it-yourself mode, 154 preset scene modes, and 16 music scenes. They even have an AI scene generator. We have yet to play much with it, but it seems cool. Oh, if you like Matter, you can get a Matter code from the Govee app and pair it to your favorite Matter hub to control some of the functions. We added it to our Homey Pro hub. Now we can turn the light on and off, change the brightness, and even select some of the scenes. Plus, make automations and even see a log of the actions. While the installation was not for the faint of heart, the results are stunning. Thank you for watching.